So we have finally made it all the way from down on the Sunshine Coast up here to Cairns. And yeah, what a beautiful city it is. I'm looking forward to doing some great stuff here in Cairns. We've already been over to Palm Cove, heading up to Cape Tribulation tomorrow and Mossman Gorge, and going croc spotting on the Daintree River. So looking forward to that and hoping that weather holds nice for us. But in the meantime, check out Cairns. Linda's trying to decide if she wants to go on the wheel here. So we're down on the Cairns Waterfront. You can see it is really low tide right at the moment. So we're just down at the marina in Cairns, having a look around, and I thought I'd come down to the marina while Linda is, of course, dress shopping. So have a look at the super yacht in the background behind me. Okay, so Linda and I have come up to Cascade Falls. You can just see Cascade Falls in the background behind. Just don't point up my nose. Get out of it. And it's just on the northern part of Cairns, and it's probably been about a 500 metre walk from the car park here. And you'll see from the other video that I've shot that it's actually a really popular place for people to come swimming. Absolutely. Who aren't on camera, that Linda's pointing to, that she keeps sticking her noses everywhere.
Our lovely friends.
So, yeah, a great place to come for the day, especially if you want to go for a swim in the water, in the fresh water. Yeah, come check it out.
Had a rainforest.
They're just walking along the platform at the Kuranda railway station. That'll be right there, you can't find your purse. You got your car. So just heading now down to the Barron Falls lookout. Oh, cassowary country, okay. So we've travelled up from down in Cairns this afternoon. We've had a bit of a look around Kuranda, which was great to have a look around there. But now we're standing on the lookout deck overlooking the Barron Falls. So here's the train bringing some tourists up. Very shortly we'll get inundated with about 200 tourists standing on the platform.